Hi, so I've got two of these staircases. This is the bottom, this is the top. They've actually cut down the newel posts on the top. So I need to drill a new one of these holes a little bit lower down to put my banister at the lower position. So I've got this staircase and this staircase here. Again, same thing. They've cut the top of the newel, so I'm going to have to put a new hole a little bit lower down for the banister. And then I've got two lots of banister packages, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these metal ends. And I've got a bag of screws that only has 1, 2 bolts, a small selection of screws, and 3 plugs. Now I make that I should need 1, 2, 3, 4 plugs and 4 bolts. So I'm guessing I need some more of these screws. Double the number of everything that I can see here.